This is a 1956 Ford Fairlane four-door Victoria. Interesting red, was an unusual shade of red and black two-tone combination. It's an auction car at the Carlisle auction at LakelandLinder Airport. White walls and full wheel covers, 292 cubic inch engine, and it's a four-door hardtop. And that's one of the reasons I chose to video it, because these four-door hardtops were pretty unusual. And check the inside here. As you can see, that's not the original upholstery, although the door panels are correct, as is the dash, as Ford-O-Matic. It looks in pretty good condition, and looking at the vents there on the top of the dash, it looks like it has air conditioning. Not sure about that though. Large wraparound back window. Very ample seating here in the back. It's an older restoration according to the information on this paper that's on the window here. And it does mention AC on that summary, so let's hope it's working well. Very nice car and very unusual.